Oh, okay, wait. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So we
Made a pit stop
on our way home from Target.
no,
On our
it's
way
casual.
to Target.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And we got our nails done and decided that it's so pretty. It was like pouring rain a minute ago, and now,
now
we're
it's all
just
clear and
now we're
overcast.
just watching surfers surf on the pier. And Chloe's yelling at them, "Marry me!"
Bird coming too close for comfort.
It's raining, guys.
Who knew it rained in Southern California?
I know, what?
We don't even own an umbrella. It's fine.
It's fine.
It's just raining.
It's fine. It's fine. My phone's getting wet. It's fine.
It's fine.
Going into Target like always.
I think that was me texting.
So we came into Target and we're so hungry that we
We have to leave.
have to leave.
We can't
'cause
shop.
We can't even take Target seriously. That's when you know we're actually hungry because
Is it still raining
it
real
is
hard?
pouring, like actually pouring.
We need to probably invest in it. Oh, geez.
And an umbrella. We don't own an umbrella.
All right, guys.
That's a problem. Wish us luck.